I am called Gnld Supergro, a NeoLife distributor and an agricultural by profession. So in today's video, we are going to see how to apply Supergro on tree crops. When we talk about tree crops, we mean crops like we have our cassava, we have our plantain, we have our cocoa, we have our coffee, we have our palms, and the list it continues. So Supergro, how is it being applied? So we still go again with our series. Come closer. So you see now our series is graded from 1 to 10. So with you put for 1 liter of water. This time around, for 1 liter of water, you take 2 mils of Supergro for 1 liter of water, because since these crops are more advanced, so you need a higher concentration. That's why you go for 2 mils for 2 liters of water. It implies that for our 15 liters NASA sprayer filled with water, you have to put what 50. You have to put double the dosage. That means 30 mils of Supergro. Yes, maybe you are not so, depending on how large your NASA is 15, it's more than 15. So you add the dosage depending on how your NASA sprayer is. So thank you, and if you still have any doubt, you can still contact the number you see on